Hello, my dear friends. Let me ask you a question that changed my life. What if your mouth could speak English before your mind was ready? Sounds strange, I know. But this one question helped me break the fear that had kept me silent for years. Today, I'm going to tell you how I forced my mouth to speak English, even when I had no confidence, vocabulary, or grammar knowledge. And I promise, if you watch this video until the end, you will speak too, because I know you want to learn English. The one who wants to achieve his goal does not waste his time. You know, time goes like a fly. It does not wait for anyone. But you, my English-speaking, consistent learners, don't quit this goal. You started to learn English, and now you are at the beginning of your journey, and I am here to help you. This video consists of 10 chapters, including different techniques and methods to speak English, and you will see it works. Chapter 1. The truth about speaking English. Most people think they need to learn 1,000 words before speaking. They think grammar must be perfect before opening their mouth. They wait, and wait. But guess what? Speaking doesn't come after learning. It comes with learning. If you want to speak English, you don't wait till you're ready. You force your mouth to speak now. Yes, even if you're scared. Even if it sounds broken. Even if people laugh. I was like that too. I kept studying, reading, and watching, but never speaking. Until one day, I realized, the only way to learn to swim is to enter the water. In the same way, to learn English is to speak English. Break the wall of fear of people, fear of society, fear of being ashamed, fear of any other kind. Let's stand up, be brave, speak aloud, and be consistent. Mistakes? No problem. Who is perfect? Nobody is perfect, so don't be afraid of anyone. This is also your world. Chapter 2. The first time I forced my mouth to speak. I was 26 years old. I had watched hundreds of videos. I could understand English. I could write a little bit. But when it came to speaking, my mouth was locked, frozen, and silent. I was scared I'd make mistakes, so I tried something different. I stood in front of the mirror, looked into my own eyes, and said, "Hi, how are you today?" It was weird, but it was the first sentence my mouth had ever spoken in English. Then I said another sentence, and another, and something strange happened. My mouth started to move like it had never moved before. I spoke many English sentences in some minutes, and at that time I realized I was just doing bad to myself because I was not busy with my goals, because of fear of others. I decided, you know what? On that day, I decided I would do my best because nobody cared for me. Everyone is busy in their life. Why am I looking to others? The truth is, it is our fear. Otherwise, people are busy fulfilling their own goals. The people who criticize you are the ones who don't want to see you making progress. So, leave the others in their lives. Set your goal to speak English like a native speaker. Just focus on your goals. Give value to your time. You are so precious with your time. Just look forward, move forward. Chapter 3. Techniques to force your mouth to speak. In Chapter 3, there are 6 techniques that you can use to force your mouth to speak English fluently, but step by step. Let's now get into the real techniques you can use to speak English. 1. Mirror talk method. Speak with yourself. Stand in front of the mirror every morning. Look into your own eyes and start talking. Start like this. Good morning. I feel happy today. I am brushing my teeth. Today I will go to work. I want to learn English. Do it daily. Your mouth needs daily movement, like a gym for your tongue. Why it works. Your brain gets signals that speaking is safe. You start thinking in English naturally. 2. Mouth workout sentences. Repeat daily. Train your mouth muscles like a teacher. Say these sentences 10 times each, every day. Can you call me tomorrow? What are you doing right now? I want to improve my English. Let's watch a movie tonight. This is my favorite book. I am learning step by step. Each sentence activates real speaking muscles. Yes, it will work. You will feel the difference in days. 3. Talk about what you see. Live commentary. Look around your room right now. Say out loud what you see. There is a chair. I see a blue curtain. My laptop is on the table. I am sitting and watching YouTube. Here is my English book. I want to change my bed cover. This is live commentary, like a sports match. It trains your brain to find English words automatically. In this way, you will also learn many new words. But the main question is, how will I learn many new English words through talking about my room, clothes, shoes, and furniture? Listen, when you try to make 5 sentences about your room and its settings, don't know any English words? You have to open the dictionary or Google and search for the specific word in English. You will learn many English words. Wow, a great way of learning English. 4. Whisper method for shy learners. If you're scared someone will hear you, just whisper. Try to speak English and be a teacher to yourself. Whispering still trains your speaking muscles. It's a secret method used by actors. Whisper, I can do this. I am learning. I will not stop. The whisper method is highly beneficial for shy English learners because it allows them to practice speaking without being judged or heard by others. By whispering, learners can still engage their mouth, tongue, and vocal muscles, which helps build the physical habit of speaking English. It's a gentle way to gain confidence and slowly overcome the fear of speaking out loud. Whispering also makes it easier to practice anywhere in bed, in the bathroom, or during a walk without attracting attention. Over time, this quiet practice builds comfort, fluency, and the courage to speak louder and more confidently. 5. Shadowing technique. Watch a native speaker video with subtitles. Repeat the words exactly after the speaker, like an echo. Example, watch a short clip like this. Native, hey, what's up? You, hey, what's up? Start slow, pause, repeat. Copy the tone, the emotion, the speed. The shadowing technique is a powerful and effective method for improving English speaking skills because it trains your mouth, ears, and brain to work together in real time. By listening to a native speaker and repeating their words, immediately mimicking their tone, pronunciation, and rhythm, you naturally develop better accent, fluency, and listening skills. This technique helps your mouth get used to the speed and flow of spoken English, just like a child learns by copying their parents. Over time, it reduces hesitation, improves your confidence, and helps you sound more natural without needing to focus on grammar or vocabulary separately. It's like learning by doing, effortless and powerful. 6. Describe your day mini talks. Every night before sleeping, remember what you did the whole day and say out loud. Today I woke up at 8 a.m. I made breakfast. I watched an English podcast. I called my friend. Don't you know grammar? No problem. Just say it. Force your mouth to remember your day in English. You can make sentences about what you did the whole day, who came to your home, and whom you called. When did your father come home? And all about others. Chapter 4. Push through the fear. Let me tell you something personal. The first time I spoke to a foreigner, I was shaking. My heart was racing. My hands were sweating. But I said 3 words. Hi, I'm learning. That's it. And I survived. Fear will not kill you. Silence will. If you wait for perfect grammar, you'll never speak. If you wait to be ready, you'll always be waiting. Don't think about what people say. People are busy fulfilling their goals, so why are you busy thinking that others have an eye on your affairs? Just the people who have not set their goals are making fun of others and trying to discourage them. My dear friends, listen to me. If your mouth is not used to speaking English, it's not because you're lazy. It's because you were never taught to train it. Now you have the tools. Now you have the chance. Speak without fear. Don't worry about mistakes. Worry about staying silent. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Let's promise each other today. From this day on, I will speak at least 10 minutes daily, no matter what. Chapter 5. Beginner-friendly phrases to practice daily. Use these sentence patterns daily. Use simple present tense. Make easy and simple common sentences. You can define your day. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I work in the evening. I go to the market. Use simple past tense. Use very simple and easy past tense to talk about your previous day. Why are you so worried and looking at other people who have not set their goals and wasting their time? Use sentences like, I watched a movie yesterday. I ate chicken last night. I met my friend last week. Future tense. Use simple future tense to discuss your goals. You can say something like, I will learn English tomorrow. I will speak more. I will not stop practicing. Practice these daily. Force your mouth to move. Make it your habit. Your habit will lead you on the road to success. Chapter 6. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Your brain forgets, but your mouth remembers repetition. Rule: speak each sentence at least 10 times, then change it. Make your own. Use sentences like, I want to learn English. He wants to learn English. We want to learn English. Do you want to learn English? This is how you build fluencies, step by step. Chapter 7. Use tech to speak. Using technology to speak English is highly beneficial because it provides learners with smart, interactive, and flexible ways to practice speaking anytime and anywhere. With the help of modern apps and tools, you no longer need to wait for a speaking partner or classroom. Technology gives you access to real-time feedback, pronunciation, correction, and global conversation opportunities. It makes practice consistent and engaging, especially for those who are shy or unsure of their speaking skills. You can learn at your own pace, repeat phrases, and track your improvement all from your mobile phone or computer. Examples of tech tools to speak English: Google Voice Typing. Open your Notes app, click the microphone, and speak. It types your words. Great for checking pronunciation. YouTube. Repeat after native speakers in vlogs, interviews, or lessons using the shadowing technique. These tools turn your phone into a personal English coach available 24/7. Use them for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Chapter 8. Fake conversations with yourself. The fake conversations with yourself technique is highly beneficial for English learners because it trains your brain to think and respond in English naturally, just like in real conversations. When you practice both sides of a dialogue, you're not only improving your speaking fluency, but also developing confidence, sentence structure, and vocabulary usage. It's especially helpful for shy learners who hesitate to speak with others. By pretending to talk with a friend, a stranger, or even a shopkeeper, you create real-life situations in a safe and private space. Over time, your speaking becomes more automatic, and you become mentally prepared for actual conversations. Example: calling a friend you. Hey, are you free this evening? You reply, yes, why? You, let's go for a walk or coffee. You reply, great idea, what time? By practicing these fake conversations regularly, your brain gets used to everyday English, and your mouth becomes more fluent and natural with time. It may feel silly, but it works. Chapter 9. Daily Speaking Plan, 15 minutes. Here's your daily schedule to force your mouth to speak. 5 minutes, mirror talk. Talk about your plans for the day. 5 minutes, sentence, repetition. Repeat 5 sentences, 10 times each. 5 minutes, describe things. Talk about what you see around. Do this every day for 21 days. Your mouth will never stay silent again. Chapter 10. Real talk: speaking is a habit, not a talent. Let's break a myth. Some people are born confident in English. Wrong. They just spoke more than you. They just practice daily. Real talk: speaking is a habit, not a talent, is a powerful truth that every English learner must understand. Speaking fluent English is not a gift or natural talent that only a few people are born with. It's a habit that anyone can develop with daily practice. Just like brushing your teeth or drinking water, the more you do it, the more automatic it becomes. People who speak English confidently are not necessarily smarter. They've just trained their mouths through consistent speaking, repeating, and practicing over time. When you treat speaking as a habit, not a skill you must master, the pressure disappears and progress becomes natural. Examples to show speaking as a habit. Example 1. You don't need motivation to brush your teeth every day, you just do it. Make English speaking the same. Speak 5 minutes every morning, no excuses. Example 2. A person goes to the gym daily and slowly builds muscles. Same with speaking English, speak daily, and fluency becomes stronger. Example 3. Think of a baby learning to talk. They repeat simple words every day. You too can speak English fluently by repeating simple phrases consistently. Example 4. Every night before bed, say out loud what you did during the day. This daily habit slowly turns your thoughts into confident English speech. Remember, you don't need talent. You need time, effort, and repetition. Speaking English is not a test, it's a habit you build, one sentence at a time. Final words. Start talking today, even one sentence. Here's your challenge. After this video, speak one sentence aloud in English. Any sentence. Now say one more, and another. Push yourself. Don't wait, speak it. Whisper it. Say it wrong, but say it. Your English mouth is ready. Let it speak. Bonus. Sentences to practice daily. I am learning English every day. I will not give up. English is not hard if I practice. My voice is strong. I can speak. I make mistakes, but I improve. Every day, I get better and better. Call to action for viewers. If you learned something today, comment below. I will speak. Like this video if you feel more confident. Share it with someone who is scared to speak English. And don't forget to subscribe. Your English journey begins now.